Okay, we have arrived in Bathurst, stupid AM, at our truck show. Ready to set up our merch for tomorrow. Hopefully we can offload some gear. Part one of our mission to get the infrastructure down from Queensland to Melbourne. Ready to fly the kids and wife in for Christmas. So we'll get a few hours sleep at least before maybe 3 or 4 hours, then set it all up. Hopefully ready to go for 9 AM. One really great thing is, like a turtle, I bring my shell so I have a comfy place to get 3 or 4 hours sleep before I have to work in the morning. Show went well, moved a heap of merch, so now we pack it all up, hightail it down to Wollongong and ready for our next show tomorrow. Don't forget to check out our great merchandise at legendsgarage.com.au. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.